This is the history of the wicked city of Cape Town. Jan Zille dumped 2,000 people in Blikkiesdorp, so-called temporary housing. Patricia de Lille dumped between 500 and 700 people in Wolverivier. This is what you've done for the last 20 years. The criminalization, displacement, harassment, assault and institutionalization. Dan kom julle nou, moet julle so-called safe spaces, ja, die tronk-style shelters gemors of the wicked city of Cape Town. To the wicked city of Cape Town, you racist and prejudiced bylaws, wat ons mense aandoen. You undermine the worth and the value of our people. You only regard our people as criminals. Ons is net sleg, druggies, gemors. Your wickedness is how you undermine us. Die God, Jesus mannetjie moet blou en blonde hare, as 'n stuk gemors. The one in the Bible, his name is Yahweh Yeshua HaMashiach. He's the one speaking for justice and righteousness, but you're keeping quiet.